When your drill bit gets stuck in your Milwaukee M12 drill, don't panic. This is a common issue with several quick solutions you can try before resorting to advanced disassembly. First, perform these essential checks. Ensure your drill isn't overheating, as Milwaukee tools shut down to prevent damage. Set the drill to drill mode, not hammer or screw mode. Switch to reverse for loosening and use speed 1 for maximum torque. Try gently tapping the drill bit against a workbench. This simple technique can break any rust seal or corrosion that's holding the bit in place. Be gentle to avoid damaging the bit or chuck. Hold the chuck firmly and try moving it forward and backward to break it free. Make sure you're gripping the textured part of the chuck, not the drill body. This manual manipulation can often free a stuck bit. For the power method, put the drill in reverse, hold the chuck firmly, and briefly blip the trigger. This uses the drill's power to help loosen the stuck bit. Only use brief trigger pulls to avoid damage. For stubborn bits, use tools for better grip. Oil filter pliers or adjustable wrenches work well. For the 2 pliers method, place them where your hands would normally go and move them in opposite directions to break the chuck free. These quick techniques should resolve most stuck drill bit issues with your Milwaukee M12. Try them in order, starting with the gentlest methods first. If these don't work, you may need advanced removal techniques. When quick fixes fail, the problem may be inside the chuck. Some Milwaukee drills have an internal screw that can become loose over time. Try tightening this screw with a screwdriver. Important note, it might be a left-hand thread, meaning you turn it counterclockwise to tighten. If the internal screw doesn't solve the problem, you may need to remove the chuck completely. Start by firmly clamping the drill in a vise. Use an Allen key and hammer to remove the chuck. Be careful and use controlled taps to avoid damage. During disassembly, be aware of small internal parts that can easily be lost. These include the lock ring, washer, and spring. To prevent future issues, lubricate the chuck after releasing the bit. Use penetrating oil like 3-in-1 oil. Open and close the chuck several times to distribute the oil throughout the mechanism. Regularly clean the tool and battery contacts to ensure a good connection. This prevents power issues that can affect chuck operation. Milwaukee offers an e-service warranty where they will inspect, lubricate, and clean your tool professionally. Remember to use the right tool for the job. The M12 is designed for smaller tasks, while larger jobs may require the M18 to avoid overstressing the tool.